Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. And this video, I'm gonna teach you how to easily remove the user account here in your Windows or computer. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that you need to do is at the start icon, please do a right click, scroll up and then go with settings. Okay, so just have to wait until you have been successfully seen all these options. Here, directly proceed to the left side of it where you can see a list of the options. Now, this time you need to proceed on accounts, which is next to apps. Click on it. The moment you have the click on it, there you need to scroll down and you can see their account settings. Now here, you need to look for other users, okay? So just have to simply click on it once you have find it, and there you would be able to see the information of the other users. Now I have here a one user account that I'd like to remove with. Now in order to do such, here they down arrow, click on it, and the moment you've click on it, there you would be able to see two options, which are account options, where you can change account the type. You can also use this when you want to change the account type, either in standard user or in administrator. But since we'd like to remove the user account here in our Windows, then we need to proceed on account and data, and aligning to that, there you can see an option called removed. Simply click on it, and here it will ask you to confirm on doing the action, proceed on delete account and data. Now, please be assured or remember that once you have click on it, if this data has been backed up or saved to another location, such as another PC, it will be lost. So I would recommend that if you have important data or files that you have being saved or created here in your user account, then I would recommend that you have back it up in your USB flash drive. Once you have saved it or backed up all the data that you have, click this delete account and data, and there you go. You have just successfully removed the user account that you have logged in here in your Windows or computer. So simply close this window and then you're good to go. Okay, so that's it. Hopefully this video helps. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.